Okay, if you're doing keto and carnivore and you're like, I feel better, but my digestion is moving like a sleepy turtle, or meat suddenly feels heavy, this biohack is for you. Keto and carnivore can be amazing for energy, inflammation, cravings, and body composition, but they can also come with some very real side effects like constipation, bloating, reflux, or feeling like your stomach just sits there like, yeah, good luck with that. So here's the hack. Use fermented foods to support digestion and gut balance, but not the way most people do it. The mistake is going from zero ferments to eating a whole bowl of sauerkraut like it's a salad. Nope, that's not a biohack, that's a science experiment. The actual hack is what I like to call microdosing ferments. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons with a meal. That's it. Tiny amount, but big effect. Try things like 1 to 2 teaspoons of sauerkraut with meat, a couple of bites of kimchi if you tolerate spice, a little pickle juice before meals, or fermented pickles on the side. And if your keto and dairy works for you, plain yogurt or kefir can be an option too. Fermented foods can help because they bring three things: acid support for breaking down protein and fat, beneficial bacteria that supports gut health, and honestly, they add brightness and flavor so that your meals feel a little less heavy. Now, if you notice headaches, flushing, itchiness, anxiety, or reflux getting worse, that's your sign you either went too big or your body just needs a different approach. Fermented foods on keto and carnivore aren't an all-you-can-eat side dish. They're seasoning with benefits. So if you decide to try this, or you already have, tell me, does it help your digestion or cravings more? I'll see you tomorrow.